Hey, are you using the action button on your new iPhone? I made a video recently to go over the different things that you can enable with the action button. And one of the things I mentioned was how you can use Apple shortcuts to create another option for quick access. And in this video, I'm going to go over how you can do that. So let's get started. The action button, which is located right here on the newer iPhones, enables you to have quick access to a control that you choose. When I press the action button right now, it will change my ringer to silent. And if I press it again, it'll change it to ring. To connect the action button with an action, you're going to want to open up settings. Then you're going to scroll down to the icon that says action button. And here you're going to see your choices. Right now it's on silent. Focus is you choose a focus mode and it can quickly, like do not disturb, it can quickly go into and out of that mode. You can choose camera, you can choose visual intelligence, flashlight, voice memo, Shazam, magnifier, controls, which you can choose from the control center, or shortcut. So we're going to talk about the shortcut right now. I'm going to stop choosing what my action button should be, and I'm going to go over to shortcuts. Shortcut icon is at the top of my library, this one. And when I press it, I can open it up and I'll see all my shortcuts. What I want to do is have, instead of just one thing that can happen with my action button, I want a choice of 6 all at once, all the time. So I'm going to create a folder for my action. By pressing on the top right, press the folder icon, add a folder. I'm going to call this action button. Press done, add. Now I have a folder listed right there. It's action button. Right now there's nothing in it because I haven't created any shortcuts. So let's go create some shortcuts by pressing the plus. Going to search. I know what I want to make. I'm going to create a note. Create note right there. Press done. So that'll be my first one. I also want to ask Chat GPT. That'll be my second one. I'll press done. Press plus. Calculate right there. Oh, I want calculate. Press done. Another one. Send message. Right here, send message. Press done. Okay, so I have 4. I can add 2 more. Let's add by pressing the plus, going into the search actions, look for flashlight, set flashlight, press done. Last one, I want to be able to take a photo quickly. So I'll press plus, photo, open camera. I want it to be a selfie. Okay. All right. So I've added 6 shortcuts. And now let's see what that looks like when you combine shortcuts with the action button. Going back to my action button menu, I'm going to choose a shortcut. I'm going to search for my folder. There we go. Show folder, action button. So now I've chosen which shortcut. The shortcut is named action button. It's a folder. And now let's see what happens. So here I am on my home screen. When I press the action button, you're going to see what's happened. Hold for show action. And the shortcut menu opened with the 6 things that I put into the folder. So if I press open camera, it's going to be in selfie mode and I can take a picture. If you found my video helpful, please go ahead, press the like button below, share if you like, and subscribe so you'll know when my new videos come out. Thanks for watching.